get some arriba done for the view. Rough na to. Walang gulong eh. So kailangan Nakalabas na, hindi pa. I got something to tell you guys. It's not a rant or anything, but it's an observation that has crossed my path that, I don't know, it's kind of disturbing in somewhat way. Shocking, maybe is the right word. Surprise is another word, but wait. That shit. Low balance. 29. Sakyan. Haba. Tingnan. Ano tayo na? Haba ng pila. This. Excuse me. Pwede humingi ng ng water sa malaking baso?
Sure po.
With ice, please. Panhaba ng pila na yan. Forget that shit.
Ito na lang, sir. Ice water.
Yes, please. Hello, Apple.
Smile na nag-get
Mahaba pa pili. Whoever owns Starbucks, god damn, you're awesome. Ano yung sinasabi ko kanina, that this is a simple observation. I know these people who said this thing close to me were my friends. I know them, they know me, but I don't think the way they said it or how they said it is supposed to be funny or sarcastic. I know the difference between sarcastic and when you're being real. I don't know, I don't want to say I'm disappointed. Like I said, I'm surprised. Well, I saw it coming from a mile, but I didn't expect it coming from them. Pero, you know, since tropa, I know it's being part of it. It's part of being, I hope they're kidding. I don't blame them because they got used to seeing me with that, with those. And then suddenly I switch, I change. So I don't blame them. I mean, I guess if I was in their position and let's say the table was turned, I guess I'll be probably the same thing to them. Pero hindi naman to the... Para sa akin kasi, I use what works. We use what works when it comes to riding motorcycle. Kasi... maingay na sa tenga. We use what works. Kasi when it comes to riding, especially when I'm riding with my wife, you know, this thing really is very important. Sasabihin nyo, bati mo na lang pag-ride din mag-isa si Lastog, di ba? Para maging independent siya, para matuto siya, ganyan. That was my goal the first time, for Lastog to be riding on her own, not depending on me. Hey, but you know, as time goes by, I realize that will never happen. It's not just I don't want to, it's not just she doesn't want to, we both wanted to. Well, mostly ayaw talaga ng Lastog na wala ako. It's a tandem na between us. I don't think she can go on a ride, on a very long ride, or even a short ride without me. I mean, I could let her go. I wanted to. At the end of the day, we both feel more comfortable when we're riding together. We're J-Mac and Lastog and all that shit. With that being said, the thing that I was talking about earlier is this. You know, the time that we switched from Cardo to Jabber has been the best riding moments of our lives, to be honest. This is close to God honesty that I can tell you guys. And again, hindi kami sponsored ng Jabber or anything, pero you know, baka naman Jabber. Seriously, ito yun talaga ng nagtatawanan na ako, bakit daw from Cardo gumamit ka ng ganyan. Kasi ang hirap i-justify na isang bagay pag hindi mo pa nasubukan. Alam mo yun, mahirap mag-convince na isang tao, lalong-lalo na sa isang bagay na hindi pa nila nasusubukan, lalong-lalo na to. And lalong-lalo na if talagang nasanay sila sa mga mamahaling communicator na talagang gamit ng lahat, na kailangan pag naka-big bike ka, kailangan nakaganito ka. If mahal yung motor mo, kailangan naka-cardo ka, ganyan. Kumbaga nililimit lang nila yung paggamit ng ganitong brand sa isang certain type ng motor. I mean, I'm here to break all that bullshit aside, that it doesn't matter what kind of bikes you have, it doesn't matter how expensive your bike is. Hindi naman dapat isasang-ayon mo yung gamit mo sa motor mo, as long as yung bagay na yon is doing its job. Lalong-lalo na to for me personally, I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna keep doing it, you know, until it got to your thick skulls. You know, itong Jabber na to, it works for me and Lastog. Works perfectly, 100%, no bullshit. If you're a Jabber user, sorry, if you're a Jabber user that went from Cardo or Senna or all those top brands, tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. That's all my Again, I'm not ranting, it's just nangyayari pala talaga yung ganun. But then at Hindi ka talaga maniniwala until it happens to you. Hindi ko lang sinasabi to kasi sinabi ng mga kaibigan ko, there are some other people too that are saying that, oh, ba't yan ang ginagamit mo? Ay, ano ba yan? Kahit hindi yung cardo mo or yung sena mo ang gamitin mo, mas maganda yun. Nope, it is not. This one is a keeper for us. Nag-switch pa ako ng bag. Ito, itong bag ko. Ito, naka-immortal na ako eh. Dati, gamit ko yung Kriega eh. Pero na nakagamit ako ng ganito yan, lumag sa loob. Yung Kriega, isang wallet, kalahating cellphone lang. Kalahating cellphone. Amit para sa akin talaga, whatever works, it has quality, I will fucking use it. Pinagdaan ako na to sa Ibo eh. Ngayon pinagdadaan ako na naman ulit ng ba yan? It's a never ending circulation of you know of bullshit. Kaya lang, I just wanted to make this video again. We're not being sponsored by Jabber. They're not paying us or anything to say all this shit. I bought these. Nakita nyo naman, I bought all my Jabber stuff kasi I like them. Pero, you know, Jabber, baka naman, you know. Yeah, baka naman. Diba, mga toto, katag naman sila. Baka lang, you know. Ano masasabihin sa inyo na palitan nyo na yan kung ano man yung gina. In the first place, kung solo lang talaga kayo nagra-ride, hindi nyo naman talaga kailangan ng communicator. Kailangan focus kayo sa kalsada, huwag kayo mag-music o ano. Yun lang para sa akin. Pero kung hilig mong mag-music o ano, o lagi kang may kasamang nagra-ride, eh talagang importansya ang communicator. Pero when you say you're a motovlogger, you want to be a motovlogger, and you're saying na isa ang communicator sa essential sa pagmamotovlog, hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo yun. Noong una, nagmamotovlog ako, wala namang communicator eh. Kailan lang nauso to eh. Pero for me, it's very essential kasi I ride with Lastog. She back rides on me, on my bike. We ride together in two separate bikes. It's very essential for us. For me, at least. So ayun lang mga toto. Nasa man kayo ngayon, mag-iingat kayo. Pundas pa naman. Ingat sa, well, mga nakauwi na siguro kayo. Sana hindi uminit ang ulo nyo sa traffic, sa expressway ngayong uwian. Or kung nakauwi na kayo, good for you. Happy Monday, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Babush! Hindi ako makakagalan. Babush! Hoy, we go! Wow! Side mirror!